Hello friends, welcome to Daily Bread. Today I am going to tell you some benefits of jackfruit. Jackfruit has a large number of nutrients that are essential for overall body health. Also, jackfruit is an aid to those seeking a well-balanced diet. The benefits of jackfruits are justified by the presence of several vitamins such as A, B, C, E, K, and numerous representative minerals for the body such as calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, iodine, and a lot more. Let us know the 21 benefits of jackfruit. Benefits of jackfruit to cure cancer. The jackfruit is full of lignans, saponins, and isoflavones that can cure cancer. Also, the deterioration of healthy cells prevents the growth of cancer cells in the body. Second one, benefits of jackfruit for high pressure control. The jackfruit contains potassium, magnesium, and iron, which helps to control the high pressure efficiently. Therefore, the fruit is very useful for keeping your heart healthy. Benefits of jackfruit to improve digestion. The jackfruit helps to treat various digestive disorders like constipation, bloating, diarrhea, etc. The properties of fibers and laxatives contained in jackfruit make it a superfood to regulate bowel movements. Jackfruit seeds powder also facilitates to removal of feces. Benefits of jackfruit for energy. The presence of fructose and sucrose in jackfruit makes it a great source of energy. It is a healthy fruit as it is cholesterol free, so if you want to tone your body, instantly consume jackfruit daily. Benefits of jackfruit for treating ulcers. A stomach ulcer is a result of bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. The jackfruit has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant, which is one of the best home remedies for treating ulcers and gastric. Benefits of jackfruit to avoid asthma. A jackfruit contains nutrients that help to treat and prevent asthma and other respiratory diseases. To do this, you can use the fruit and extract the cooked roots. Benefits of jackfruit to improve vision. The vitamin A and antioxidants in jackfruit provide better when consumed raw. It helps to overcome various vision related problems such as macular degeneration, cataract, and night blindness. Jackfruit benefits for treating the thyroid. If you are suffering from an abnormal thyroid, the effective solution to deal with this is jackfruit. Copper is an essential element for treating the thyroid. Also, jackfruit helps to control metabolism, hormone production. Benefits of jackfruit to prevent infections. A jackfruit is rich in vitamin C. It helps to strengthen the immune system. It fends off various foreign bodies such as bacteria and viruses, thus keeping track of various diseases including colds and cough. Benefits of jackfruit to improve sperm quality. The jackfruit is known as an excellent aphrodisiac. Jackfruit intake helps to treat premature ejaculation. It improves sperm quality and increases sperm's mobility. Jackfruit benefits for balancing sugar in the body. Many fruits can be dangerous for diabetic patients due to their sugar content. On the other hand, jackfruit, when consumed in moderate amounts, can help to balance the sugar level in your body. Benefits of jackfruit to prevent cervical mucosa. Because jackfruit is rich in fiber, it helps to prevent and protect the cervical mucosa against the deleterious effects of carcinogens. Also, jackfruit prevents membrane exposure to these chemicals. Benefits of jackfruit to strengthen bones. The jackfruit has an abundance of calcium, which strengthens and promotes development and bone health. Since it has a good amount of potassium, osteoporosis is frustrated. Also, jackfruit increases bone density and reduces calcium loss. Jackfruit benefits for hair growth. Proper blood circulation is vital for hair growth and strengthening. The vitamin A found in jackfruit promotes shiny hair. Benefits of jackfruits to prevent colon cancer. A jackfruit is rich in fat food that cleanses toxins from colon. Benefits of jackfruit to slow down the aging process. Everyone wants to look younger, but after age, it can be difficult to keep the grays on your face. The presence of free radicals in the body leads to aging. Antioxidant that present in jackfruit helps to fight free radicals by making you look younger. Benefits of jackfruit for skin improvement. Jackfruit seeds helps to treat many skin related problems. For an instant glow on your face, you can use the seeds of jackfruit. Benefits of jackfruit to prevent brittle hair. Fed up with dry and brittle hair, the jackfruit seeds may be useful to you. The vitamin A in seeds of jackfruit helps naturally to prevent against brittle hair. Therefore, it promotes healthy and beautiful hair. Benefits of jackfruit to lighten skin. You can use the jackfruit because it naturally brightens dark spots. For this, you can massage in the affected areas for 5 minutes. Benefits of jackfruit to injury. A jackfruit helps to reduce some small cuts. Today in our kitchen, I have revealed the secrets of jackfruit. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.